Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Amber Mutation and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are two methods you can try to get the Amber Mutation and grow a garden. The first method, I recommend you to grow a raptor. This one, you can trade your pet and get the dinosaur egg, and you will have chance to get this raptor. So I'm going to view the raptor. As you can see guys, that the raptor can help you to get Amber Mutation after collecting your fruit. Okay, and these are the description. So I recommend you to grow raptor. Okay, and then the second one, you can use the spray. Wait, I'm going to go to my gear items, and then you can use this mutation spray, and you can make your fruit or your plant mutated to amber. And to get this spray guys, you can finish the daily quest. Wait, let me show you. I'm going to go to, oops, that's so big, oh my god. Wait, I'm going to go to this location. Okay, and to get the raptor, you can trade your pet for dinosaur and you will get the dinosaur egg. Or you can complete the quest here. Oops, sorry, it's here. You can click on talk, and then you can click on show me the quest. Okay, and here as you can see, you will have chance to get this mutation spray, and you will have chance to get this dinosaur egg for free by completing the quest. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can use the mutation spray. I'm going to go to my gear item, and I'm going to choose mutation spray amber, and then I'm going to spray it to my elephant ear. Okay, right here, and I'm going to click it. Alright. Okay, just like this guys. And you will get this Amber Mutation in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Amber Mutation and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!